I hope everybody had a happy Easter and welcome to another video. No Doug today, he's down at Goolwa trying to train the carp into eating his tiger nuts. But I've come down for a session today. I'm burling up out here in front. I'm going to fish unweighted bread and see if I can't pull a fish or two. There's a fair bit of rain forecast over the next few days, so I've come today. It's really the only day this week that's going to be dry. Shout out to my younger brother Mark, who is at this moment undergoing fairly serious surgery in Adelaide. All the best, Mark. Hoping for the best possible outcomes for you. Clearly there was a fair bit of fishing done here over the Easter break. Trees are absolutely festooned with line. Line here, line there, sinkers in the tree branches. I just hope it doesn't end up catching birds. I've got a feeder rod just sitting out of the water there. I'm going to fish 2 unweighted baits out here, just with bread for starters anyway. And hopefully that burley that I've put in will get a few fish around. It's not too breezy, which is good, which means that the line should be fairly easy to monitor. It's always hard fishing unweighted when there's any sort of real breeze. Well, that's not far enough. I'll do that one again. Yeah, so last trip did alright, so if I get 4 or 5, I'll be more than happy. Just about had the rod pulled out. And I would say about the same size as the ones we got last week. Sort of that 35-40 centimetre mark. He's in. Yep, good start. So, first victim. Whee! Well, that fish grabbed the bait just as I was baiting up the other line, so I had my hands full, which was a bit frustrating, but managed to sort it out. So, one on the board, and I did have a bite on the other line and missed it, which is why I'd wound it in. And drop that one a little bit shorter. Good. Let's have some more. In case you're wondering what this rig is, I've got 10-pound braid through to a small clip swivel, then about 2 feet of 12-pound mono and a size 6 hook, and that's it. No weight, nothing else. Alright, another one. Number 2, and then this line's tightening up. Right, I just lost quite a good fish. Took the outside line and went straight across there, tangled the lines and got off. Right, I'm on and I've got 2 lines out. Let's get that other one out. Nice. Well, he's a goer. That pellet burley is certainly paying dividends. There we go. Oh, goodness me. Whack. This left-hand rod is the one that's getting all the bites. Oh, it's just full on. I think there's a few small ones out there as well. Picky, picky, picky. Oh, that is small. That was small. Oh dear. There we go again. So what size is it? Reasonable. Oh, it pulled. Well, they're hot to trot, but I'm having a bit of trouble hooking them. Get out of that crap. Yeah, I think there's quite a few this size and smaller. That's probably the smallest one I've caught. Oh, 2 fish and oh no. Get this one out. This feels a bit more solid. Glad I got that other line out. He'd have been right through it by now. And as I said before, I'm getting them all on the left hand rod. Hardly a touch on the other one, although I did get the first fish on it. Yep, that's probably the best fish, I would say. Yeah, I'd say that's my best fish today. Come on, let's be looking at you. Ooh. Funny thing is, I'm throwing the burley right out in front and I'm getting the bites off to the left and there's no current. Still can't complain about the action. Beautifully pinned. Going well. Right, on again. Easy. I'll tell you what, I've got a bite on the other rod, which is not helpful. He's not bad either. Please don't the other one go off. I've got a horrible feeling it's going to. Yep. Yes, this pellet burley has definitely made the difference between one or two fish and what have I got now? About 8, I think, and lost a couple as well. So yep, as long as the fish get it and not the birds. Nice catch, Frank. Oh, he pulled the hook. Yep, left hand rod again. Oh, that's pulled as well. Oh my god. I checked the hook point is good. It's just me. That's, I don't know, 4 or 5 that have pulled the hook now. Wow, look at that, a little catfish. Oh, and he's off. Get this other one out. I think this is definitely better. I think this might well be the new FOD. Yeah, it's got some weight. Now it's got some go. You know what? I don't think it's that big. Well, I think it's still probably the biggest fish today, but it's not huge. Oh, he's in. Yep, it's definitely the best fish today. definitely. Yeah. Well, I think that's 9 carp and a catfish, an almost catfish. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. But I think there's definitely a few small fish out there in the burley now. So I'm getting these little sharp bites. Gonna get this other one in. Too late, got a tangle. That's gonna be a mess. Oh my god, that's a good fish too. Pity he picked up the other line. Oh gosh. Yeah, now we're talking. I got that tangle out without too many dramas and I'm back fishing again. Always the way, isn't it? And that was the best fish of the day, no doubt about it. What is that? That's a stick. Well, I think I'm going to call it. That's 10 carp and 1 nearly catfish. The last 2 carp were the best 2 fish of the day, and at one stage there they were biting really strongly, but it's quietened down now, so I think I'll call it stumps. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Try and make sure this one uploads in 1080. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Say goodbye, Doug. I don't think he can hear me in Goolwa.